When we run, we swing our arms and keep our elbows more like a square shape. We feel more comfortable and secure to keep that way. When you just started playing the violin, a teacher would say, keep the bow straight to the bridge. But at first, almost everyone struggles to move the bow in a straight line. The most common issue is the bow is moving in a reversed C shape because the elbow is keeping the square shape. And the bow slides over the string and you cannot make a good sound. In order to move the bow straight, we need to open our elbow around the middle of the bow to the tip. But even knowing these facts, moving the bow straight might be pretty challenging at the beginning. Also, in general, straight lines don't feel so natural to our body. So the next exercise might help you if you're having these issues. Imagine to draw a C shape instead of the reversed C. And see if the bow is more straight. Change up the degree of the curve to get the more straight line along the way. I hope this exercise helps you, and happy practicing.